Alright, so if you guys are preparing yourselves to get shrimp, this is a must. So because we do have aggressive fish in here, and we have, let me see if I can find him, guys. This guy's a shrimp eater. He's right here. He's a killer. All right. So in order, because we're trying to grow some plants right now, as you can see, in order for us to get plants going, for the shrimp to get cover and run, this is the only place they're gonna have to be living here, because that guy will kill them and eat them all. So before that, just make sure you're aware that you could have this set up anywhere, and you can even view it from the side angles. Right now, currently we don't have shrimp right now, but we're about to get it, because little steps right here, little places to actually go in there, and you can always keep it watching it in case your kids want to see some shrimp or people that want to visit you. This is perfect. Look at that. It's like an underground basement for them. Pretty good details on it too.